Here I have a Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use scheduled charging on the following car. Let's begin. Alright, so at the very beginning, let me start by using the car icon, the blue one right here. And as you can see here, you've got access to all settings of your car. Let's choose here energy, the third option from the left. So under energy tab, you've got charging. As you can see, you can use here the scheduled charging. You can read information right here. You can charge vehicle from a specific time or within a specific time period and automatically stop when vehicle is fully charged or reach the charge limit. So in my case, let me enable this scheduled charging. And as you can see here, I've got some default settings about it, but you can change it here. For example, you can use frequency. You can do it this only once. You can do it this every day, or you can custom, for example, to do it every Monday or Tuesday. In my case, let me do it only once, and let me start charging, for example, at 11 p.m. Let's assume that I've got lower cost than to, for example, 6 a.m. All right. As you can see, you can also disable the end time, and the car will just stop charging when the battery is full or when it reached the charge limit. In my case, let me use the end time, and that's it. Let me tap yes, and now we will use the scheduled charging. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.